Hi folks, I am solving Leetcode Top 150 questions and that's all you need for your coding interviews. In this video, we'll be solving 25 reverse nodes in a K group. We are given the head of a linked list and we have to reverse nodes of list K at a time and return the modified version. And it's also given that K is a positive integer and is less than or equal to the length of the list which we are given. If the number of nodes is not a multiple of K, then it should be left untouched. For example, here our K is 2. So that means we have to reverse the linked list in a group of 2 elements. So this is one group, this is another group. And since there is no element here, this is not a valid group. So this is left untouched. And if you see, these are reversed. 4 is here and this. And this is the final list that we want to return here. Now let's take this example here and see how we can solve this. So here we will need this dummy node because we don't want to deal with all of the edge cases. Now we can start from here and all we have to do is we can count up until K. This is 1 and this is 2. This is our kth element. Now we want to break this link and then this 1 should point to null and then we should point our 2 to this 1 right here and then we will break this link as well. But if you see what we did over here was something like this where our 2 is pointing to 1 and 1 is pointing to null. But if you see we have now 2 linked lists. One is this and another one is this, but we don't want to do this. So to avoid this, let's update this and move our K to here at 4. So now instead of this 1 pointing to null, it should point to our 3 right here. And this we have to keep in mind. Also, this dummy node should point to this 2 right here. Similarly, we will break this link and reverse these two in such a way that our 3 should point to 5 and 1 should point to this 4 right here. And this 4 will point to 3. So overall, it will look something like this and our dummy head will point to our 2 and this is what we will return. And if you see the result that we got here is same as this result right here, 21435, 21435. And one more thing, if we again try to move K from here, this is 1 and this is 2, but nothing is here. This points to null. So we don't have to do anything. Now let's look at the code on how we can solve this.